So let's get started. Take a mug. Add 6 tablespoons of maida. 1.5 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Add 2 tablespoon icing sugar and half teaspoon baking powder. Mix all the dry ingredients well. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil, not the flavoring ones, the normal cooking oil. Add 2 tablespoons of milk, half teaspoon of vinegar, stir all the ingredients well. It should have a flowing consistency. You can also add some chocolate chunks or chocolate chips that are available in your kitchen. Preheat the oven for 100 degrees Celsius and put the mug into the oven. Bake for 2 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius or 200 degrees Celsius. Your mug cake is ready. You can decorate your mug cake by adding the toppings of Hershey's syrup, and some sprinkles on it. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till